Is it possible to cook an egg with a hairdryer? Well, let's find out. Let's crack it open. I suck at cracking eggs. Don't break the yolk. Yolk, don't break. Yes! Okay, we're gonna start on a low heat first. Here we go. Let him cook. Let him cook, I say. I said let him cook! Let's turn up the heat. Oh, hold on. It's not looking good. It looks as if it's cooking. We're gonna keep going. Let's see if we can get this thing to turn white. Cook for me! Yo guys, it's starting to turn white. There's little bits flying off of it. What the? So can you cook an egg with a hairdryer? Kind of. Let me know in the comments, would you eat this?